Good morning. Thank you for joining me as I share the latest information about what Miami-Dade County is doing to protect our residents from the spread of the coronavirus. Miami-Dade County now has 43 COVID-19 cases confirmed. Broward has 55 cases, and the entire state has confirmed 195 positive cases of Florida residents and another 21 cases of non-Florida residents. Beginning at 9 a.m. today, all Miami-Dade parks will be limited to gatherings of 10 people or fewer. This also applies to beaches or recreation facilities owned or operated by Miami-Dade County. This order does not apply at this time to parks operated by municipalities. I also signed an order last night to prohibit the rental of any moped, motorized scooters, bicycles, and motorized bicycles beginning tonight at 6 p.m. This order includes all municipalities. I'm also preparing an order to close casinos in our entire county. As of 9 this morning, all libraries in the Miami-Dade Public Library system will be closed until further notice. All of this is in an effort to stop the spread of COVID-19. You can still enjoy county parks, but you must practice social distancing of 6 feet between you and another person. You cannot have a party at a park. You can still ride a moped or bicycle if you own it, but we are prohibiting the rental of these types of vehicles to make sure the virus is not passed on from one user to another. I don't have to tell you that our community has experienced many changes coming at us very quickly, with schools closing until April 15th, the shutdown of community centers for seniors, and the closure of restaurants and other large establishments. All of these changes are coming at us very rapidly, but at every step, the limits and closures I have ordered are meant to protect our community from the spread of COVID-19 as much as possible. Yesterday, my emergency order to shut down all restaurants, bars, movie theaters, gyms, and any other establishment that seat more than 8 people took effect at 11 p.m. Restaurant kitchens can remain open for pickup and delivery services. Restaurants may have patrons pick up their orders inside as long as people in line have enough space and can practice social distancing. Miami-Dade Police will be checking on establishments that violate the orders. They will be educating orders to follow the law or face a criminal second-degree misdemeanor. Let me stress that grocery stores, gas stations, pharmacies, and convenience stores will remain open. I continue to work with my senior team and state officials to ensure we're doing all we can, as recommended by the CDC, to tamp down on the spread of this virus. I want to stress that the rise in case numbers is to be expected. As we get more testing done, you can expect more positive results. At the same time, the vast majority of people who contract this virus will have mild symptoms. About 15% will be in serious condition, and 3% will be critical. The most susceptible to serious complications from this virus are those who are over 60 years old and anyone with upper respiratory disease, diabetes, cancer, or autoimmune conditions. Our elderly are the most vulnerable, and we are continuing to monitor their situation. If your community center has closed and you have not been supplied with meals, please call 311 so that we can get you the meals and services that you need. I encourage all businesses to have their workers telecommute as much as possible. The only way to get ahead of COVID-19 and stop the spread of this virus is by taking some very extraordinary actions recommended by health experts. I will share more information as events develop. Please continue to take personal responsibility and follow health guidelines of hand washing and not shaking hands to protect yourself, your loved ones, co-workers, and your neighbors. May God bless all of you in Miami-Dade County and help all the people and nations being impacted by this virus.